Hey, how's it going? Butters here with the Dip Collective again. And today I'm just filming a short little intro video here while I'm inside. I am going to go outside and I'm going to start working on my truck, but basically this is going to be like a series of a couple, maybe 3 videos. I'm not really sure how much I'm going to do it tonight and how much I'll do it tomorrow, and then we're going to get her done on the weekend. But basically right now we're taking the turbo off, changing my injectors, fixing my up-pipe leak, and resealing the whole turbo. And that's basically all we're going to be doing, I guess. And yeah, like that's all gonna be outside. I'm gonna set the tripod up out there. Alright, yeah, we're back outside here. First thing first, we're gonna pack ourselves a dip. Today we're dipping the Stoker's Natural. No better time than the present. Take this fancy brand new 9/16. Let's see if I can get this turbo off today. So I already went ahead and took my intake off, the oil, the boost gauge, took all that shit off already. You going, you're not too good for your home, bud. Basically, I'm going in blind. Both sides. It sucks. Let's try a long one. How did I even get these on here? Holy fuck. Oh! Issues on fucking day 2. I say day 2. Fucking worked on this a little bit yesterday and forgot to record it, eh? I'm fucking terrible at that. I don't know what the fuck are you supposed to do? Where are you? I'm threading it fucking like barely any movement at a fucking time. Why didn't I do this right the first time around? Oh man, this sucks. How fucking long is this bolt? The longest fucking bolt in history? This is gonna be the greatest victory ever when I get this out. I got it!
Look at my hands. Can't even barely see my tattoo. Shit's fucked.
I wonder how much fun that one's gonna be, get out. Baby, come on now. I'm at a loss right now. Victory! Now that that's free, I can get this now off. Oh, I wish they all came like that. We just gonna try something quick. Oh, shit. Went ahead and fucking put a gasket maker on this shit. Biggest fucking mistake I ever made. This should be fun. I need a pry bar quick. You don't have pry bar? How about the pry screwdriver? There we go. She's free, boys. Oh, that's not good. Kinda fucked up my screen. Check and mate. Oh yeah, she's coming. I'm just gonna give this a quick little clean with some brake cleaner before I put this on. Where's my brake cleaner? Ready to go back on. That lined up nicely on there. I'm just going to flip it the other way, just because it does a little kink in it on that side, and I hope that doing this will suck it all the way down. Have a nice brand new ratchet. Forward. Went into reverse.
Can't get this turbo off. I just got this crossover pipe off and it was a bitch. It took me like the better part of an hour. Now we're going to pack another dip here. Look how nasty these are. Still going to send it. Pack on here. Again, Stoker's Natural is what we're dipping today. Pretty much every day for a while because I got two. Here's the old bottom part of the up pipe. As you see, she is fucked. Just cut right off. The other part's stuck in the turbo. So yeah, she's fucked. And I had to cut this bolt off to get it off. But a beautiful crossover pipe. Just get her all in every crevice. Wipe the inside out. Holy fuck, was this thing disgusting. Holy shit. Okay, that's where I should have put that. Oh well. There. I have the majority of this shit wiped off it. I don't know if you guys can really see that or not. I'm gonna have to go around and get all of this off. It's also around this hole too. Just scrape all of that off and give her a good clean again. It's a process, but we'll get there. Oh my god, I got it. Oh, it's off. Busted that thing off, that's cool. Oh. Fucking making progress, boys. Whoop whoop. Little Snapchat vid. Jenny's. I fucking got her. That's pretty close. So, I'm in a shitty spot right now. You guys can't really see me, but I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna crack all my injector lines, and then I'm gonna slowly remove the injector lines after that. Let's see. I never really had any knowledge. Oh, I don't even know which way those fucking should loosen now. Alright, there we go. Alright. So, this is tough. This is going to be a lot tougher than I thought it was going to be. Even with that turbo off. Okay, injector's open. Oh, I wish these were ratcheting. Oh well. Why did the other one come off so easy? Come on, baby. Whoop-de scoop. Whoop-de scoop-a-de scoop. If y'all don't know what song that is, figure it out. These bars. Shitty fucking song. Terrible fucking song. Oh, I just want my truck to run. I don't want to have any more issues. I just want my truck to run nice and smooth. For sure, like I said, I don't think I've actually said this on video before. I know for a fact that maybe not four, but for sure at least one injector is going on the passenger side. And since I needed to redo my return lines anyway, I'm like, I might as well just do my injectors because I was going to do it my summer. Got it for a steal of a deal. Hopefully from Pensacola they're alright, like everyone said they should be. And it's oh, there we go. 4 cracks. Crack in the 5th. Still glad I picked up all these wrenches yesterday. Holy. That's just me smacking the firewall, by the way. Fuck it. She's a bird, she's tough. Oh, you know, when this is off, I should have put a 3-inch downpipe on as well, but fuck it, I don't have the money right now. This is gonna suck to get at. Holy shit. Just removing the old return lines here. Oh, this sucks, man. These do not want to come off nice. There we go. I might just try and take them all off in one go. Just fucking snapped. That'll be fun to deal with after. Oh, why is that in my ear? Oh, fuck out of here. There's one set of the return line's gone. There